Hello you guys, this is Jeanette with Inspirational Design. Now what am I doing today? Well, I am creating something. And as you know, about a month ago or so, a month or two, I went to a vintage market in Fort Payne, Alabama, and I stopped off at the Goodwill there before it started because I left out pretty early. And as you remember, when I showed my haul, I had bought four frames that were just alike. And here they are, so I can show you the frame. See this? This is one of the frames. And they had the gold, all this gold stuff I really liked. And I got all four of them just the same size. I think I paid about $3.94. I don't know, it was something like that. But anyways, here's the pictures that was in them. And I think they're old home interior pictures. They had these little bird pictures. Some of you will remember this, and some of you won't, which, you know, I'm just sharing this today to let everybody know what I'm, working with. Okay, now, what I wanted to do, I said to myself, I'm going to be putting these frames up in my living room and, stackable on one side of the window too, and then two on the other side. And I said, well, I may put different pictures in them at different occasions, like Christmas, Halloween, or fall, summer, spring, all the good stuff. So I thought I would change out pictures, seasonal. So what I came up with is this, cross-stitching. I haven't done cross-stitching in years. And when I did cross-stitching back in the day, I really didn't know how to really do it good, right? So I freehand trees. That's what I'm starting on. I'm working on two patterns right now. So here's how I started out doing. This is freehand. I pulled up YouTube videos on how to cross stitch, and here's my first pattern. I hope you guys don't laugh. It's my first pattern. Now I'm going to bring it up close so you can see my mistakes. And this is called a certain type of a stitch. I don't remember. I'm sorry, you guys, but I started practicing. This is the practice piece. And yes, this is a marker. Like I said, I freehanded the tree, but I did get an idea off the videos of the trees. But anyhow, this is what I did, and it's a beginner, believe me, a real beginner. But I do love cross-stitching things, I've always admired different pieces that I would see out through the years. It goes way back to grandma, right, you guys? And so this is a fun little thing you can pick up. But I'm making 4 different trees to put in for Christmas because I'm getting started on my Christmas stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys something. Now, this beginner, which I'm still a beginner, here is what I'm coming up with. Look how much better that looks, you guys. See there? Just a few minutes of practice. And this is a pencil, freehand, if you can see the star. And I freehanded all this of drawing it into the center. And I measured my frame so I'll know how big I want it to be. So I think I'm doing all right. I'm not done with this. And I'm not going to show you how to cross stitch today. I have to still learn myself. But it's fun. It's an idea. And I just wanted to come up with something for Christmas. And this is what I've been doing as well. I took each of the battings that are with the frames, and this is the way the old batting color look. And I put about 4 coats of a cream color paint on there, as you can see. And I've only got this one to paint this side because I've done the rest of them. And the thing is, I wanted to show you guys so you can remember what the batting color looked like. Let me show you this right here, the paints that I've been using. And the Waverly in this color and brand. And the Apple Barrel in this color. So, these are the two I used. I used more of this, and then I just squeezed a little bit of white in there so it won't be so creamy, you know. And I could kind of bring it white, but I didn't want to put it like a real solid white, you know, for the batting, the mats, I'm sorry. But anyways, this is going to turn out really well, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. Now, I'll be painting this right here later on, but I want to show you another idea that I did for one of the other picture frames. Let me gently bring it over here to you guys and show you. Now, I hope you can see this. I can't put it up straight, but I'll kind of lean it. Oh, I'm going to cross stitch, just a minute here. I'm going to cross stitch these branches on to drop cloth. This is drop cloth. You guys, I've washed it and everything and cut out these little pieces. I've had scraps left over. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a tree out of the stems. And what I did, I went into the yard. I didn't really get like the tree stems. Actually, what I got was these weeds that grow. And as you can see, and I've cut them up. Because you don't want nothing like a real tree stem because it wouldn't really work, you know. So anyhow, I'm going to be taking these stems and I'm going to cross stitch them on to the drop cloth. And I'm using these little sequins jewelry pieces, and I'm going to make them like Christmas bulbs. But I'll show you guys this. When I finish all this up, I'll do a video on hanging the frames. And then you guys can see each of my Christmas tree frames for Christmas. And I'll be decorating, and I'll be putting videos up on that for Christmas. So this is a quick little video here. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is what I'm doing this week. Well, it may take me a couple of weeks to finish this project, but I will be done. And when I'm done, I will be sharing. And you guys have a good day. And thank you for looking at my video today. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good evening. Bye.